It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I've washed this hair, and today I thought it would be best for me to start the wash day process by detangling. So the first thing that I do is spray my hair with water because I do not like to manipulate my hair when it's in a dry state, because that is a surefire way of me getting breakage. So first I spray my hair with a little bit of water using my spray bottle. Then I part it into these smaller sections because then it will be a lot easier for me to comb it and detangle when it's in small sections. And then, even after I have parted it into these smaller sections, I spray more water because obviously the first round of spraying water was just to make it damp, but this time I want it wet because I think it would be ideal for me to add in more product, but then it's been 2 weeks since I washed and detangled, and personally, I feel like adding products into my hair at this point in time is just overkill. So I am just adding a little bit of water to make the hair damp, and then the oil that I already have in the hair and whatever other products that I have will do the rest for me. And at first, I'd wanted to use okra because I always use okra when detangling, but I just was not able to get access to okra. So I was like, I just want to do this and be done with it. So I just decided to opt for water, which is my, like, water never lets you down. If you know how to use it well, then yeah, which I do know how to use water well, it works just fine for me. I detangle all the sections, and then after detangling all my sections of hair, I put them in twists because obviously after detangling, I'm going to jump into the shower to wash my hair. And the way that I wash my hair is, first I start off with ordinary shampoo, very affordable, very cheap. I put that into my hair, and then I wash it out with warm water, like boiling water. Then I mix very little cold water. That is the first process of washing my hair. I will use that shampoo about twice and then wash. And then initially I had a problem with my scalp where I had excessive dandruff. Like a week after washing my hair, my scalp would peel. But because obviously I work in the medical field, I have, like, I'm not a medic myself, but I am kind of involved in the medical field. I have my friends who I went to, I told them, you guys, I have a problem with like dandruff. They recommended a shampoo for me, and it's like some Arab shampoo, but trust me, guys, I used it, I think maybe about 5 times. So I used to wash my hair weekly. I was actually supposed to be washing my hair like every 3 to 4 days, but I just could not keep up with that schedule. So I decided to wash it every every week, and that helped me to completely get rid of the dandruff that I had. So yeah, I use the ordinary shampoo, then I soak my hair into that medicated shampoo for about 5 to 7 minutes. Sometimes I go up to 10. I use the time to do other things. I actually prefer to use that time to like brush. So the only problem that I face when I have that shampoo soaking in my hair while I brush is it kind of like flows because it's mixed with water, and obviously water comes onto my face, and you guys, it's extremely bitter. It's extremely bitter. We all know that we're not supposed to ingest things like shampoo or like any hair product. So what I'm going to do is just get this. This is like my dress is what they tie around the waist. But I'm going to get this and then I tie it to prevent the water from dripping from my hair into onto my face and into my mouth. Alright, let's see how well this will work. Otherwise, off to go and brush my teeth. Ah, and this has really worked. It has helped me prevent the bitter water from getting into my face. So now I believe it's time for me to wash this hair. I'm going to be using this Radiant Leave-In Conditioner. At the time when I bought it, I actually I didn't know that it was damaged at the top. So how I use it is, it already has hair. I'm going to be doing is just pouring it in my hand like so, and then putting it on my hair. But I have this oil that I use, so put it right after the leave-in conditioner. But because I already finished detangling before I hit the shower, detangling my hair right now is just going to be a breeze. My head is so tender right now, and that's because I have done the whole wash day activities on a single day. Usually what I do is detangle it on one day, then I wash and style on another day. But today I really don't have time. I have so today is 24th of December 2025, and I have to work tomorrow. I have to work on Christmas. The reason why is I kind of work in the medical field. So yeah, I'm at home today. I've actually been at home for a while. It's like 2 weeks. I've been kind of working from home and like reporting to work, reporting to office other days. But tomorrow I need to go. I have to go and be in office to like kind of relieve other people who have been working consistently, so they can also have a little bit of time to rest and spend time with their families or whatever. So while I have enjoyed my time and it's still going to continue, like I'm just going to be working Christmas Day and then Boxing Day, and then I'll go back. I'm traveling for like a trip sometime at the end of this week. 28th is a Sunday, and 28th of December we shall be traveling. So yeah, I need my hair styled and detangling this hair. I'm going to, I think, put it in a bun. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with this hair today. I was considering maybe I should put it in like braids and let it dry out in braids, but I know that if I leave it to dry in braids, it will take a very long time. So what I have decided to do is just after detangling, I'm going to put my hair in a bun, but I'm really twisting it very loosely. I'm twisting it loosely because I'm going to undo it, and sometimes when I twist it like really tight, it gets like those demarcations where the hair kind of separated. But when I twist it loosely, it's easy for me to unravel and for it not to have like those spaces in between. I really want to buy a blow dryer so that I just be blow drying my hair, but I haven't gotten the time to go and purchase a heat protector. They call it a heat protectant? Heat protector? I wanted to buy the Tresemme heat protectant, but I don't know. I've tried looking around for it, even on TikTok and whatnot, but I haven't been able to get it. So I do not know when I'll be able to get a blow dryer, but I really need to. I want to, not need to. I just want to blow dry my hair a little bit so that I can be able to get a trim. So I've been getting trims. And the way that I've been trimming my hair is, let's say like after me washing my hair like this, I will usually put it in some kind of braids. But after installing a braid, I'll grab a pair of scissors and then cut off the extra pieces that are hanging like just by a thread. Or because this year I've been extremely busy, I have barely had time for myself. I've been keeping my hair mostly in mini twists, and with the mini twists, after me like twisting my hair, I'll still cut off like the raggedy ends. It has obviously left my hair extremely choppy and uneven. So the reason why I need a blow dryer is so that I can even out my hair, have it straight, and then be able to cut it and have like perfectly even hair. That is why I urgently need to buy a blow dryer and heat protector. Halfway as I was working on this braid, I realized that the reason why I'm putting a lot of product is like subconsciously I know, and I've worked with my hair long enough to know that if I do not put or what I would assume would be adequate product, I'm going to suffer with frizz, a lot of frizz, because my hair tends to get very frizzy because I don't really braid it like that. I kind of like just comb it and then I leave it to do its own thing. So I know that if unless I put a substantial amount of product, I'm going to suffer. So yeah, that is why I've been trying to put as much product in this hair as possible. And then also I'm going to wait for it to dry for about a day. This is the bad thing, this is the problem. This is why I urgently need a blow dryer, because by now I would literally just get the blow dryer, blow through this hair and like be done with it. But now I have to like leave my hair to air dry and like get dry on its own. Problem is when I leave my hair to kind of dry on its own, it takes so long. I know for a fact that this hair is going to take about 2 days to dry, and even then it will not have dried like perfectly. So yeah, I seriously need to consider either planning my wash days a lot better, like a week prior, so that I do not have to suffer. Like this has taken me less than 30 minutes to finish, and that is simply because I started off my wash day process by detangling. I've used the middle part so much, my hair kind of like almost semi-permanently parted, like, and they say that that can lead to like balding, but not really. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen like signs of balding yet. So usually when it comes to the slick back, that is like the easiest process of it all, because I've already separated my hair in sections. I love tying my hair in a slick back when it's wet because then it kind of like stretches. I also stopped using like ordinary hair ties because they would kind of loosen up, so I opted for just this ordinary hair tie. It's like a cloth material. It really works well for me. My front has to be perfect. I even want to be facing the mirror while I do this, but my mirror is this side. So once I have tied my hair in a bun, I braid the back part, like the loose hanging pieces at the back. I put them in a braided bun because the last thing I want is for my hair to dry and it to be tangled and matted. Yeah, I just put it in a braided bun and then I use a normal hair tie to wrap the bun around itself. And I kind of feel like I drench my hair in a lot of product, and that is why it probably takes a lot longer to dry. It can take like sometimes more than a week. Like, so what I usually do is because I want my hair to dry quickly, I take it out and leave it to kind of like air dry for a few minutes or an hour or so, and then I tie it in another loose band so that I can have it dry a little bit more to avoid my hair molding. My hair is going to stay like this. It's going to dry out. Wrap it when I'm going to bed and then throw off the head wrap when I'm going to work tomorrow morning. It's going to be such an easy thing for me to do because my hair is just perfect. This is literally how I maintain my hair most of the time of late. First I was putting mini twists, but now I've kind of gone back to like having my hair out, but I plan on still going back to mini twists. So it's time for me to wrap my hair because I want to dry it and then run quickly to paint my toenails. It's been about an hour and this is what we're working with. It's still obviously very much wet, but I gotta go. I have plans. I'm going somewhere, so I'll see you in my next one. I was rushing so much, I literally couldn't even give a proper spin, but sorry about that. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.